Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cPanel WordPress. First, log into your cPanel account using the credentials from your hosting provider. Once inside, navigate to the Software section. Here, you'll find the WordPress Manager by Softaculous or Softaculous Apps Installer. Clicking this tool will open a streamlined interface designed to simplify the entire process of installing and managing your WordPress website, making it incredibly user-friendly for everyone, even beginners. This is your gateway to a powerful website. To install WordPress, simply click the Install button within the WordPress Manager. You'll then be prompted to fill in a few crucial installation details. This includes selecting your domain, choosing a directory if needed, and setting your site name. Most importantly, create a strong, unique username and password for your administrative access to ensure robust security. After providing these details, complete the installation process with just a few clicks, and your new WordPress site will be ready in under 1 minute. Managing your WordPress site through cPanel offers significant control. You can access your WordPress dashboard directly from cPanel, saving you time. Essential tasks like creating full backups of your entire site, cloning it for development, or staging updates before they go live are easily performed. Furthermore, cPanel's File Manager provides direct access to your WordPress files for advanced edits, and you can manage databases efficiently through PHP-MyAdmin, giving you comprehensive oversight of your website's backend operations. Once WordPress is installed, several essential tasks will keep your site running smoothly. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to maintain security and access new features. Installing new themes and plugins is straightforward, allowing you to customize your site's functionality and appearance extensively. Creating and managing posts and pages is how you build your website's content. Finally, optimize your site's performance using caching and security plugins to ensure a fast and secure user experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.